Alright guys, let's do a quick unboxing of the Milwaukee's M18 Brushless. That's what fuel stands for, brushless. And no spelling, right? Crown stapler. It is 18 gauge 4-inch narrow crown stapler. Model numbers 2749-20. That's sold as tool only. I have seen a kit together with I believe 4 XC battery. Maybe this time. Yep, sorry about that. And they're a little bit pricier, so I had few batteries like this. That's why I bought the tool only. Practically I couldn't see it. I mean, it comes in a pack. It comes in a nice sturdy pack. Tool only. It comes in this nice sturdy pack. So if you're shipping it to home, I mean, if you're shipping it to home, it will come with this pack. It is highly unlikely they would put it in another box. Some more information about the tool itself, the brushless technology, the piston inside, REDLINK Plus for job site management. It is pretty good tool. Once I saw it, I thought I had to buy that. So I had a coupon and I went to the store, and no one could find that. No one could find that tool anywhere. They had 6 in stock, and when I asked store associates, everybody's looking at me like I had 2 hats. Finally, I was able to catch a couple guys from TTI that were just making sure that inventory is there and so on. So they were able to help me find that. One important feature: it fires in half a second. No ramp up time at all. No need for hoses, for compressor, for anything of the kind. So I opened this before just to drive couple of staples, just to make sure that it operates correctly. Other than that, haven't done much with it. Some literature, how to clear jams and so on, how to be careful using it, to be mindful using it, short instruction. Yep, very short informative description how to use the tool, how to safely operate the tool, some advertisement materials. Yeah, we know what that is. That's a raffle ticket. You enter the code on it and hopefully you will win something. So that's the tool itself. Again, with some more detailed instructions. Advertencia comes in Spanish as well. Okay, it doesn't come with a tool bag, foam insulation, and comes in just a plastic bag. Right off the bat, I see. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to get 3 nozzle guards, and if this is supposed to be empty, this hook is supposed to be empty. This is a spare one, but I didn't see any in the bag itself. important feature, how to load that thing. Alright. Those are Porter cable. I believe this is 5/8 of an inch or an inch. Alright. Yep, extend that. Let's see. So it's a little tricky to feed that, the first one, because they wanted them not to wobble inside, so that's why they made this opening where they go in a little bit smaller, just so there is no, you know, no way of you to, you know, kind of mix that. Alternatively, you can just drop them. Alternatively, you can just drop them at this opening like this, and then just lock it in place. Just push it in place on this end. Depth adjustment up and down. 2 modes of firing, continuous and single. So let's see how this works. So, as I said, I have a 4XC4 battery. Just snap it in and it's ready to go. The belt hook is like this sturdy piece here that you can hook on your bag, or definitely wouldn't hold on a ladder or something and you risk breaking it off. It looks nice and strong. Plastic itself, nylon. Glass fiber reinforced nylon, nothing to write home about. Little window here that you can see if you're at the end of your nails. Alright. Some markings specifying it's 18 gauge, so you don't accidentally mix it, but I don't know people that use 16 gauge or anything. Alright. Like this. It won't fire. You need to actually start the tool. There is a start button right here. Have to hold it pressed for half a second, and immediately it goes into the default single strike mode. Hold it for just a little bit more and goes in continuous. Alright. The tool itself is not very noisy. It is, I would say it's very quiet. It's definitely quieter than the alternatives that are on compressed gas. On a compressor. So let's just see. Bang. Perfectly driven. Stands just a little bit higher. So let's see. Wouldn't it be easier for them to put plus or minus instead of this? So if you go down, it would drive them further into the wood. Okay, so all right. Perfect, huh? So let's see how the continuous would operate. Okay. keep pressed, touch it, and just press, and there you go, a bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Yeah, I kind of butchered that by driving it onto the other one. It's a nice little tool. Yeah, once you press the trigger, it engages the light. The light shows forward, focuses about on the tip. Alright, let's try one more. I switched it again to... So previously I would press that and then press the trigger. Let's see what happens if I press the trigger and just push it back. Nothing happens. So I have to push it against the wood. I have to push it against the wood. Alright. And then squeeze the trigger. Yep. Perfectly driven. Thanks for watching.